Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to build a super cool AI chatbot using an ESP32. This bot can listen to your voice, process it, and respond back. And the best part? You can build it yourself at home.
Hello.
Hello. It's great to connect with you. Today is May 1st, 2026, Labor Day, and the air feels fresh with the start of a new week. How's your day going?
Here's what we're building today. A voice-controlled AI chatbot using ESP32, a microphone module, and a speaker. You will need an ESP32, a MAX 98357A amplifier module, an OLED display, an INMP441 mic module, a speaker, some jumper wires, and yes, we are making it on a breadboard. I thought wiring is boring, so I just skipped that part. Now let's upload the firmware. Now this is an important part, uploading the firmware. Open the folder that is given in the description, then open the Flash tool and select your board. Select your port and choose 115,200 baud rate. And then click Erase. This is very important step. Erase it. Then click on the three dots and choose the firmware. And put 0x0 and tick the box. Then click Start, and then you have to wait a little bit. Now you gotta open your Wi-Fi panel and connect to Xiaozhi. And then open your web browser and type 192.168.4.1. Then put your SSID and password here. Now you can connect to your home Wi-Fi or hotspot. And then open Xiaozhi.me. Then this website will open. Click on the console option, click on Add Device and enter the 6-digit code that is shown on your OLED display. Your code will be different. Then click on Configure Role. Now set it according to yourself. Like I have set my assistant's name Aiden and language to English. You can set whatever you like. Now click Save and reboot your ESP32. And that's it for the programming part. Now let's test our chatbot.
Hello.
Hello. It's great to connect with you. Today is May 1st, 2026 Labor Day, and the air feels fresh with the start of a new week. How's your day going?
What is your name?
I'm Aiden, your thoughtful companion here to assist and connect. I'm here to help with anything you need, whether it's a quiet moment, a song, or just a friendly chat. How can I support you today?
What is 25 multiplied by 25?
25 multiplied by 25 is 625. It's a perfect square like a cozy little number puzzle solved.
That's it, you have built your own AI chatbot using ESP32. If you like this project, like the video, subscribe for more robotics and tech builds, and comment what you want next.